Hello everybody, jimmyispromo here, back again with another awesome video. And in today's video, I just wanted to bring to your attention a really good Bluetooth headset for a pretty fantastic price point for the sound quality that you get. Now I know that the Amazon Prime Day is just a couple days away. There's a lot of good deals that's going on that day, but I don't want this to be kind of lost in the mix, especially if you're already on Amazon looking for some amazing good deals. This one is a good deal for the sound quality that you get, and who knows, maybe it'll be on a deal that day as well too, and it'll be a little bit cheaper. So the product that we're talking about today, it's referred to as the ASIL H1, and I'm going to show you that here in just a second of what it looks like. It's actually dangling around my neck. But I asked you a question a couple days ago on the YouTube community page, which was, what is the price range of what you look for a good Bluetooth headset? Now there was 770 votes, and the one that was leading with 39% stated the price range of $25 to $59. So this is right at the very top of that price range. And then the next one actually came in second place at 19%, which was $60 to $89. So this is actually, out of all the 770 people who voted, this will cover 58% of you guys on something that is a good quality, good sounding Bluetooth headset at the price range that you're looking for. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna move over onto the Amazon website, and I'm gonna show you exactly which one we're talking about. And instead of kind of going as a close-up of the box, let me talk about pretty much all the main things that ASIL is talking about with this product. Now the product that we are talking about today is the ASIL H1. Now once you go over to Amazon, you type this in, it will come up as the very top choice here, and it actually is the Amazon's choice, which means that it has some really good ratings. And so you can see that there is about 76% is a 5-star rating, so this is a 4.5 out of 5, and then there's only, for the 1-star, only 2%. Now this is covering up the biggest majority right here, which is 90% as a 5 or 4-star. Now when you choose on this one here, I don't know what the price will be on the Amazon Prime Day. Hopefully there's a deal. If not, you're actually still getting a really good deal at the $60 price point. Now I'm not using my Level U Pros anymore. I'm not using the Gear Icon X 2018. These ones completely took everything away. Now I do want to mention too, with this whole dynamic driver, the balanced armature, this sound quality is just fantastic. But the only downside I have to say about this headset is the call quality. Now when I did do any type of calls, it was not really sounding too good on the other side. It almost sounded muffled. But I'm one of those people who actually uses the regular cell phone as a phone call or even speakerphone moreover than using a Bluetooth headset. But if you are listening or wanting to have something that has good sound quality and amazing battery life, then this is definitely the headset for you. So this will have a standby time of 10 days. It'll charge in less than 2 hours, and it'll last you for 11 hours at, I would say, the mid-level volume. Now, I only charged this thing about 2 times in the last couple weeks, so that the information for the battery life is definitely true there. And then it also talks about the quality of this. So the cable bending is over 25,000 times. The drop testing is 1.5 meter, and you can do that 18 times, and everything else is right here. Now, as you scroll on down, if you wanted to, you can go through and you can read some reviews. You can kind of see what else is going on here, the weights, the ounces, and everything else too. Now, if you are interested in this product, I will actually have a link below the video you guys can click on, and you'll be able to purchase it from there. Now, keeping this video very simple, I do want to let you guys know a couple things that I love about this. I've already mentioned from before, I'm not using the Level U Pros anymore. I'm not using the Gear Icon X 2018, which was the only headset that I would use at the gym. And with these ones, they're actually super light. The sound quality somehow has beat out Samsung for those 2 headsets that I've used from before. And when you compare these to other brands that are similar to this, or styles like JBL, or I guess we can talk about Beats as well too, you'll be spending anywhere between $30 to $80 more for any of those ones. And if you're actually looking at the EarBuds 3 or the EarBuds 3 that comes out from Beats, that goes over the ear, it has like 12 hours of battery life. That is their $200 headset. And I can guarantee you this will sound just like it or better for $60, because I know that anytime I've ever used Beats, it was just a really airy bass. This one's more of a just pass through, it's hitting you in the ears. But other than that, it's very comfortable. You also have this slip That's on the very back, so when you are running or you're doing sit-ups or whatever, you can actually cinch this up so it's not going to be moving and bouncing around when you're moving your head or anything like that. So if you're worried about something that's kind of just dangling around the neck, there's really nothing that you really have to worry about, because all you have to do is on the very back of over here, you'd be able to cinch it up, and then you can see how it actually brought it up just a little bit more over here, so it's actually staying close to your head. So I really just wanted to get this, Bluetooth headset across to you guys. I'm very weary about reviewing Bluetooth headsets for you, but this one right here definitely made me want to make a video telling you how good of a quality this thing is at $60. So when it comes down to comfort, it definitely passes. When it comes down to sound, it definitely passes. When it comes down to price and everything that you get, it over exceeds. But when it does come down to the call quality, it's not perfect. So I wouldn't really use it for that. But if you are looking for something for the gym, for running, for anything else, then this is a perfect headset for you. And let me know what headset you guys use, or let me know if you are thinking of picking these things up in the comments below. But other than that, make sure to give this thing a huge thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you have not subscribed already. Share this video with your friends and family and social media sites. Have fun on the Amazon day, and hopefully you get some amazing good deals. And outside of that, I will see you guys later.